First, we will make the marinade dicon radish slaw, which will be the signature for most Vietnamese sandwiches. We will peel the dicon radish, cut off the tip, and then we will slide the dicon in half. And then remember to hold your finger against your blade so that you won't cut your fingers. Then we will cut the dicon radish thinly. Then we will julienne each dicon slice into really fine strips. We will repeat the same process for the carrot. If you have food processor, you can use that for this purpose. Then we will add around 2 tablespoons of salt and mix it so that the water will release from the dicon and the carrot.